Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI and it's time to change the air filter on our compressor.
This is the Solberg 14 paper filter cartridge, and this is an OEM part for our compressor, so we really like it because we know that we're getting a quality part that is a great fit. As you can see from this change, our older version of this filter really needed to be changed. It was looking pretty dirty, so we were super happy to be able to just make this easy swap. So it is simply a matter of taking the cover off of the filter holder and then replacing the filter and screwing it back down, and that is it. It is a super easy change, but we know that this is going to help to prolong the life of our compressor and make sure that it's always functioning at its best. So this is definitely an affordable and easy DIY project that you can do yourself to maintenance your own compressor system.
So that's why we really like this air filter, and that's my point of view.